from Vietnam / Cape Town.
Yeah, because it's Monday and it's cold and it's rainy and we should have some Bun Cha.
Hi guys!
Welcome back to the channel.
So we're going to show you how easy it is to cook out of this cookbook. We're going to do one of our favorites.
Bun Cha. And that's from one of our favorite countries, Vietnam.
The food destination.
Oh, total food destination.
Yeah, it was awesome. So what is Bun Cha?
Bun Cha is two ways with pork. So one is little patties made out of pork mince and the other is pork belly. And this is served with noodles and lots of amazing herbs and an incredible dipping sauce that ticks all those boxes. Salt, sour and sweet, a little bit of spice.
We discovered Bun Cha by walking on the streets, as one does, looking for food and then following your nose. I think that's what you do.
That's totally it.
You follow your nose. So the book spans over 15 years and we visited 11 different countries. And some of the countries, to whet your appetite, I'm reading blind now. So, because I don't have my reading glasses. Zanzibar, Thailand, Turkey, Madagascar, Switzerland,
New Zealand, Vietnam, Morocco, Southern Africa, which was Namibia, South Africa, and Botswana.
Yeah, there's 287 pages of recipes and travel stories. So it's not just recipe books.
Yeah.
It is all the adventures behind the scenes that went into getting some of these amazing food shots. So where can you get this book? There's a link to saltoniclife.com in the description below.
Easy.
Peasy.
Peasy.
So where do you get your recipe from?
I got the recipe from Vietnam.
Originally?
And it's actually quite a nice story.
The short answer, Diane, where did you get the recipe from?
From Vietnam.
Where did you get the recipe from?
I got the recipe from our book. Our book is called Let's Meet in Paradise, A Food Journey.
Yeah, bling it, that's it.
Bling, bling. So we're not making the full recipe, so I'm keeping all the nice sauces, but I'm not making the little pork patties. Part one of the recipe is preparing the marinade for the pork. You need 1 bunch of coarsely chopped spring onions, 2 cloves of garlic coarsely chopped, 1 teaspoon caster sugar, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, mix together, dish into the roasting pan and top with the scored pork belly. Fish sauce, there's no other salt under here. So I'm going to actually pull the rashes apart a bit, or the fat, the scored bit, and I'm going to put the salt in there and then a bit of black pepper.
Okay, we're just using melted salt.
Yeah. So now we're going to make the dipping sauce. 100 ml of fish sauce, 100 ml of rice vinegar, combining them all, and 100 ml of fresh lime juice. And 200 grams of caster sugar. I know, it's a lot of caster sugar. So you want to dissolve the sugar into the lime juice, and the fish sauce and the rice vinegar. So you want to do it over a very low heat. You don't want it to boil. You just essentially just want the sugar to dissolve. So that's what we're going to do now.
Dissolving the sugar?
Yep.
She said it was a long-winded way.
I've got the basis of the pickle, which was the fish sauce, vinegar and the lime juice. That's been heated so that
Freshly squeezed lime juice.
Yes, freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm getting all suggestive here with my carrot. So for the veggies, 1 carrot, small daikon, black radish, turnip, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 chili. If you like this video, click the like and subscribe button. It's a free way to support us. The secret to a killer pork belly with crispy crackling is to allow it to chill uncovered overnight in the fridge. To roast, you want that oven to be piping hot to get that extra crispy crunch. To add that something extra special, lightly fry some ginger till crispy and sprinkle over the top of your Bun Cha. If you didn't follow, we will be posting on our blog, and the full recipe is beautifully photographed in our book with other delicious recipes from Vietnam. Cheers! Hi guys, thank you for all the love and support on Patreon. And if you want the journey to continue for as little as a cup of coffee, you can support us on Patreon. The link is in the description below. Click it!